I have a Honda Rancher 350. It's a 2004 model. The choke is stuck, so let's get started. The choke cable doesn't want to pull any farther than what you can see right here. So, for this choke cable and this plastic nut that holds it here, you can use a 14 millimeter, a 9/16, or just a crescent wrench. Loosens very easily. What you'll want to do, you've got a wire clip here that sits right about there, so you can wiggle that off. That way you can pull up your boot. It may or may not be damaged like this one. And normally it's supposed to just completely pull out, but this one isn't doing it. And it looks like there's just no way to get to it once you've got it unbolted. But if you just turn it and just kind of lay it down, what we're going to do is just kind of pry this out of here. First, I'm going to put a little bit of lubricant in here. And what I'll do next, I don't want to damage this area, but I'm going to have to get this thing out of here. So I'm going to grab it, see if I can twist it first. Doesn't want to twist, so let's see if we can pry this up. And you can work this apart enough to where you can loosen this up. And we'll just grab both of these at the same time and pry that right out of there. Just want to be careful as much as you can. There we go. I almost damaged that too much. Just do a good little cleaning of this. Nothing too aggressive. It's not going to hurt to wipe this off either. So when you do use your choke, you just want this to be able to go in there and go out. Then I'll get the choke cable nut installed here. Made an error and broke that off, so if you do have a stuck choke cable, just make sure that you're very careful pulling this out, or go ahead and pre-order you a new one. But this just goes on here like so. Once you put this on, it's very snug. So I'm going to put this back together knowing that this is faulty. You can tell where it was before, so I'll tighten it up a little bit there. All right. All we need to do now is just bring this boot down here and this little wire clip. Got the boot back on there. You almost have to squeeze this and then slide it at the same time. Now I can see if this works better. If you have a stuck choke, now you know what to do.